Hello and welcome to the preview of Social Media Success, The Strategy, the online course from Online MediaWorks. This course has been specifically designed for business owners like you, by me, who want to kickstart social media in their businesses. It will give you a solid 7-step proven strategy that you can immediately implement in your business, and you'll get my help every step of the way. I'm Esther Partridge-Warner and I have extensive background in sales and marketing spanning 25 years. I've worked in large multinational corporations and micro businesses across various industry platforms from educational publishing, security, IT, health, recruitment, creative industries, edtech and many others. In 2006 I graduated with a degree in IT for education and training, and in autumn 2017 I commenced lecturing in social media in the business school at Worcester University. I now provide business and marketing support for small business owners, as well as for larger companies, networking groups and more. I'm also an Enterprise Nation advisor. In my experience, I found that many micro businesses just launch themselves onto social media because they think they should, without taking a step back and first taking time to plan which platform they should be on and why. We know that with the ever-expanding role of social media in our lives, we certainly can't ignore the potential it has to increase our brand awareness and raise our profile. According to Think First Digital, 93% of the UK population are actively using the internet. So that means there are 38 million people who are on social media. This number is set to grow. But how best can we get our businesses seen and our voices heard? It's a common misconception that social media will be a magic wand solution to bring customers to your business. A solid social media strategy takes time and hard work. People are on social media to be social, and then we want them to get to know us, get to like us and trust us enough to part with their hard-earned cash for our products and services. But also, as solo entrepreneurs, we don't want to waste our time. We want to ensure that what we do generates revenue for us. That's why I'm here to help you to build a solid social media strategy step by step. This is a proven approach that I've used time and again, both in my businesses and with the clients that I work with. There are 7 steps and I'll talk you through them and explain the resources I've designed to make your life easier. But first of all, why do we need to have a strategy? According to scheduling software provider CoSchedule, top marketers document their marketing strategy. Marketers who document their strategy are 538% more likely to report success than those who don't. That's a massive statistic. And top marketers who document processes are 466% more likely to report success than those who don't. Sounds like we should all be documenting and strategizing for our social media to me. So we'll start with an audit. This is where we'll look at where you are now, which platforms you're on and how many followers you have. It's not all about the numbers, but it's a starting point, and I'm a firm believer in looking at the data so you can measure what works and when. Then we'll build a plan. We'll look at your customer, who your customer is and where they hang out and when on social media. We'll walk through various questionnaires and checklists that I've created to make the process easier for you before we move on to goal setting. I love the quote by Steve Maraboli. He says, "If you have a goal, write it down. If you do not write it down, you do not have a goal, you have a wish." So I've included a yearly and monthly planner for you to download and use. This should help you to organise your time effectively and work smart on social media. The 4th step is the fun bit. This is the doing action phase, and I've included a checklist of 50 social media ideas so you don't need to think, eek, what am I going to post today? There are also a weekly task list that certainly makes my life easier, and I'm sure it'll do the same for you. At the end of each month, I strongly recommend you set an hour aside to review your numbers, return to the audit document that we started with, and see what worked. The next step is celebrating success. Every person who liked, commented, followed you is a real person. And if you had all your followers in one room, you might feel overwhelmed. But you have to remember that they have chosen to spend their time on social media reading your posts. And don't underestimate how wonderful and how powerful this could be for your business if they all bought from you. The final step is to adjust your plan for the following month so you do more of what works and less of what doesn't. So this course costs £36 and is yours forever with free updates included. You can work at your own pace and access the content on demand on a mobile, laptop or tablet. You can download all the content so you can access it when you don't have internet. I promise there will be no jargon, and there's a 30-day no quibble refund policy if you're not happy. If this sounds like what your business needs, please go to socialmediasuccess.teachable.com. If you need any more help or you have any questions before you get started, please get in touch via email, esther@onlinemediaworks.co.uk. I look forward to working with you.